Huckleberry Hill Road leaving our house. That's a car. So October 29th, we had a freak storm yesterday, and our house looks like it was bombed, like Armageddon, quite literally. Kelly and I just got here through the terrible snow. The roads are pretty much closed. I haven't, this is the first time seeing the mess here. Lots and lots of trees down. This is our backyard by the studio. You can see the top of our maple trees, apple tree's gone. House actually, surprisingly, it's okay. The busted window and a tree on the roof there. I'd like to walk to the front of it, but it's impassable. I started to lose the beautiful magnolia tree, but I turned around and a big part of the maple tree had fallen. Well, we're safe. Annie's safe. Kelly's safe. I'm safe. Rembrandt's safe. It's kind of hard to imagine how the heck we're going to clean all this up.